Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products for the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for May. This month's theme is Flower Power and the bag features a lovely floral design. Let's get right into it and take a look at what's inside the Glam Bag. We have the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector, Goldfaden Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser, Avant Pro Perfecting Collagen Touche Clay Primer, Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in the shade Dead Roses, and the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip in the shade Rose. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside we have the Hey Honey Open Your Eyes Lifting Eye Serum, Kinship Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen with SPF 32, Complex Culture Easy Crease Definer Brush, Fenty Beauty Flypencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner in the shade 'Cause I'm Black, and the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, I want to test out some of the products we received. First, let's cleanse with the Goldfaden Gentle Detoxifying Cleanser. It's meant for all skin types and is supposed to dissolve impurities, remove dead skin, excess oils, and makeup. My skin feels squeaky clean but not too dry, so that's a good sign. Now let's try out the Hey Honey Open Your Eyes Lifting Eye Serum. This claims to wake your eyes up by reducing puffiness, providing hydration, and tightening the skin, effectively reducing the appearance of fine lines for a visibly lifted effect. Next up, I'm testing out the Kinship Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen with SPF 32. I'm really thrilled with this product because I always need SPF. If you haven't noticed, I'm extremely pale, and living in Florida, it's great that this product is reef safe by containing zinc oxide instead of other harmful chemicals that can cause the deterioration of reefs. To prime the skin, I'm using the Avant Pro Perfecting Collagen Touche Clay Primer. The full size of this is $122. At that price point, it's gotta be life-changing. It's so lightweight and hydrating. I really love it so far. It's making my skin silky smooth as well. Alright, now I'm just going to hop off camera really quick, do some makeup, and then I'll be right back to test out the rest of the products. Now that I've done that, I'm applying the Fenty Beauty Flypencil. This is water resistant, smudge resistant, and it comes in a variety of shades. It's extremely creamy and dark. I'm using it to create a smoky eyeliner look. I really like that this pencil is retractable as well. To blend that out and create a smoky effect, I'm using the Complex Culture Easy Crease Definer brush. After that, we have the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And this is kind of a joke to me because I did receive this in last month's Ipsy as a sample, and I've also received the full size in a BoxyCharm a few months ago. It's a good mascara, but I don't need another one. Finally, I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in the shade Dead Roses. This is a rosy lilac shade. It's really matte for being a traditional lipstick. I really like it. Here's the finished look using products from both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for May. Let me know what your favorite product that you received in your Ipsy this month was in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.